Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is a very wholesome rice with fava beans, dill, and chicken. We'll start with a pot of boiling water and add 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 teaspoons of chopped red onions, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and almost 1 heaped teaspoon of salt. Turn down the heat to medium and add in 1 whole chopped chicken. Top up the water levels by a cup or more, enough to cover up the chicken because most of it will evaporate, and season some more with black pepper, then cover it and let it simmer. While the chicken is simmering, add a splash of olive oil and a stick of butter to a pan so you can begin making the crispy caramelized onion garnish. Keep the heat on low to medium because you don't want to burn the thinly sliced red onions. Caramelization takes time, so be patient and keep stirring. Just until it looks a beautiful brown, crispy texture, not black, and then set it aside to cool and drain from the excess oils. In another pot, add a splash of olive oil. Butter is optional, but it makes everything better. Add in 1/4 of a cup of finely chopped red onions and season very well with salt and pepper. Stir until golden, then add in 2 to 3 heaped tablespoons of freshly chopped dill and add about 1.5 cups of fresh green fava beans. Add in 1/4 or 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, it's up to you, and stir to mix before adding in 2 cups of rinsed white rice. Stir again to make sure all the ingredients have mixed well. We are going to use the stock from the chicken pot to cook the rice. That will make it just so much more delicious because that stock has a lot of flavor. So we will use a colander or a sifter to pour the broth into the pot of rice, just enough until the rice is slightly covered. You don't want to over drown the rice, but you want to have it just rising a little bit above the level of rice. To check if the chicken is cooked all the way through, always cut deep into a thigh or breast to make sure you don't see any pink or uncooked meat. Then, if it is cooked, begin removing it to the side. When the rice has absorbed the stock, give it a taste, make sure it's not hard to chew and it's not uncooked. Then begin serving if it is just right for you. We don't usually throw the chicken on the grill, but we did it for this video just to add a nice finishing touch, so the grilling part is completely up to you and it's completely optional. Thank you for watching this video, and if you did truly like it, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.